Papa Jackson, for us mga nasa 30 na single, as single, what's the best relationship advice na you can give for us today?
Organic still the best way of meeting people. Organic encounters. So, join a community. Alam mo, minsan nga, nowadays, it's very easy na masubstitute natin yung relationship online than a personal relationship. No? Iba pa rin yung organic. Community, no? Join a community. Join kung gym community yan, photography community, dance community, so a civic community. Just put yourself out there. There's a line that's my favorite that I always say, no? If you wanna be found, be available. Ang dami ko nakikitang nagreklamo walang jowa, and yet they do not put themselves out there. They're so unwilling to take risks. And a lot of us no longer believe in the goodness of other people. Lagi nating iniisip na, tawag nito na, baka may gawin sa akin masama. Bago tayo maniwalang mabuti ang kapwa, naniniwala tayong masama. Muna sila. Yung mga bagay na yan, ano? If you want relationship, have it organically. And another thing, mostly this caters to women. No? Huwag kayo nagpapaligo online. Huwag kayo nagpapaligo online. Men are naturally hunters. No? We hunt. Lalaki, di ba? Huwag kayong paisip to get na pag piniem kayo araw-araw 5 times a day, feeling nyo effort. Hindi effort yan. Katsipan yan pag sinagot nyo online yan. Diba? Kaya, a man would fly halfway around the world to be with you pag gusto ka niya. Gagawa niya ng paraan yan.
Tama yan.
Si EJ, I remember, his wife was in Singapore for a long time. Wala siyang kinakain, nag-iipon siya ng pamasahe papuntang Singapore, mapuntahan lang yung wife niya. You do a lot of things and sacrifices because you love someone. If you like someone, there is always a way.
Correct.
Grabe. Thank you so much,
Yo,
Papa. Sabi niya, if you wanna be found, be available. So, bro, alis po na ako, bro. Punta mo na ako sa bro, sa mga